Be it Twitter tirade or taking to the podium, more often than not, his choice of words stir controversy. U.S. President Donald Trump, his debut speech at the UN General Assembly drew strong reactions as expected. North Korea's top diplomat dismissed it using directly translated words, while it gave China a moral high ground, rebuking the American leader's rhetoric. Connie Kim zooms in on the responses.
U.S. President Trump's aggressive debut speech at the UN General Assembly included the threat to totally destroy North Korea if his country is forced to defend itself or its allies. The remark raised concerns it could again lead to a war of words between Kim Jong-un and Trump as they did last month. However, North Korea's Foreign Minister Yong-ho flatly disregarded Trump's address.
If Trump was thinking about surprising us with the sound of a dog barking, then he's clearly dreaming.
The U.S. ambassador to the UN, Nikki Haley, defended Trump's bellicose rhetoric during a TV show interview, saying Trump's threat to destroy North Korea if it attacks Washington was not out of line, considering the regime's ongoing provocations. China, on the other hand, rebuked Trump's threat of destroying North Korea, seizing the moral high ground. Beijing's foreign ministry said the North Korea issue should be solved through political and diplomatic means and imposing economic sanctions on Pyongyang. France and Germany also commented on how risky Trump's rhetoric was.
Any military intervention will lead to the kind of material and human destruction that I believe must be absolutely avoided.
German Chancellor Angela Merkel also expressed opposition to any form of military solution and stressed diplomacy as the only answer to the North Korea issue. While UN member states are at apparent odds at how to resolve Pyongyang's nuclear ambition, one thing is clear: the international community must bring North Korea to give up its nuclear weapons program. But this goal may be easier said than done, as the regime is again expected to justify its nuclear weapons development at the UN General Assembly when its top diplomat takes a podium on Friday local time in New York. Connie Kim, Arirang News.